How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have the iPhone XR and iPhone 13 Pro. So we're gonna do a speed test. I'm very excited because iPhone XR is still great in 2022. So we're gonna try some apps that you're gonna use on a daily basis. Also gaming as well. I'm very excited. iPhone XR is a great phone, I believe, in 2022, so you should not be disappointed if you still have this iPhone. Also, iPhone 13 Pro, it's a great phone as well, so this is interesting comparison in today's video. Both devices are connected to the same network, also both devices running the iOS 16. Okay, so let's start with first applications, which are the Google. So let's do that in 3, 2, 1. And actually this is a little bit faster on the iPhone XR. Very good. So this is a very good start in my opinion. So this is good. So iPhone XR is a little bit faster here. This is a very good sign. Let's open the Safari in 3, 2, 1. This was a little bit faster on the iPhone 13 Pro, but probably couple of seconds behind, nothing major in my opinion. Let's open the camera on both devices in 3, 2, 1. This was maybe second and a half, maybe a little bit faster on the iPhone 13 Pro. So again, nothing major in my opinion. Both devices are pretty good. Let's open. What should we open right now? Let's open some applications that use on a daily basis. So let's open the clock in 3, 2, 1. I have the feeling that the iPhone XR was a little bit faster in my opinion, but you are the judge. Let me know, what do you think? Let's open the calendar in 3, 2, 1. Once again, I have the feeling that this is the iPhone XR, but I may be wrong. So at least you'll see the video. Let me know in the comments down below. But I have the feeling that I think the iPhone XR is a little bit faster, in my opinion. Let's open the weather app in 3, 2, 1. Once again, this was... Okay, so this was a little bit faster on the iPhone 13 Pro, but iPhone XR was a little bit faster for the reloading, but obviously iPhone 13 is a little bit faster in my opinion. So let's open App Store in 3, 2, 1. iPhone XR, but second behind is the iPhone 13 Pro was faster. iPhone XR was second behind in my opinion. But again, nothing major. Let's open, so let me see if the volume is down because we don't want to get a copyright here. So I don't want to get a copyright. So let's open YouTube on both devices. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna do this test one more time because I think I already watched something and basically it was preloaded already. So YouTube once again in 3, 2, 1. I think I need to do home first. Okay, for the third time, YouTube. Let's start again. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Third time is the charm, people say. So 3, 2, 1. I think this was about the same, but again, you were the judge. The scrolling situation is pretty decent in my opinion. Obviously, we have the 60 Hz for the iPhone XR and we have 120 Hz on the iPhone 13 Pro. Obviously, the scrolling situation is going to be much better on the iPhone no iPhone 13 Pro, but it's not bad actually. 60 Hertz is still good, I believe, and many people will not find the difference. Let's start with the gaming. Let's start with the gaming because I think it's gonna be fun to see the games. So let's open the Street of Rage 2 in 3, 2, 1. I think it's gonna be a little bit faster on the iPhone 13 Pro. Yeah, a little bit faster on the iPhone 13 Pro. But I'm gonna do this test one more time because I never played on the iPhone XR, and actually, yeah, let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. Okay, let's do it one more time. Street of Rage 2 in 1, 2, 3. That's better. So let's see now who is gonna win, iPhone XR or iPhone 13 Pro. Let's see. Yeah, iPhone 13 Pro is yes, maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds behind, but again, nothing major in my opinion. So you'll not be disappointed if you have the iPhone XR. Let's do the same test with Snow Bros. Why not? Snow Bros is one of my favorite classic arcade games. So let's do that in 3, 2, 1. Let's see if the iPhone XR beats. Okay, so let's see now if I'm right to do that. So 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. This was about the same actually. So let's do easy on 3, 2, 1. So many buttons. Start in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this was a little bit faster, but for some reason I had to add, so this doesn't count. But you got the point. So if you have the iPhone XR, still pretty good in my opinion in 2022. And let's do one more game. Let's do the Bubble Bubble, I think it's called. Bubble Bubble in 3, 2, 1. And I believe this time, yeah, it was a little bit faster on the iPhone 13 Pro, but again, nothing major. So as you can see, pretty decent in my opinion. And this phone still is great in 2022. So there you have it guys. I mean, this was just a quick video about these two smartphones. If you still have the iPhone 13 Pro, don't be disappointed. This is a still great iPhone. You don't need to upgrade, in my opinion. Great camera, great video, great battery life. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a comparison video. So I'm happy to put side to side 13 Pro versus XR for camera video comparison, picture comparison. So let me know if you want to see that in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.